So I recently unboxed the new Huawei P Smart and first impressions were really good. But I wanted to test out its dual lens camera setup, which isn't something you see on many budget phones. The P Smart costs just £230. So I took it out with me to my local town of Glastonbury, you may have heard of its music festival, to see what it could do. The things I do for this channel and these videos. Glastonbury tour. Are we there yet? So the P Smart has two camera lenses on the back, one 13 megapixel main camera and the second 2 megapixel lens that provides depth information, which means you get wide aperture and portrait modes which can give you really nice depth of field and bokeh effects in photos. And that's really where the P Smart shines. Picture quality is decent overall, especially in good light, but take a photo with the wide aperture mode enabled and it really makes the subject stand out. And this works well with both objects and, as you'd expect from a portrait mode, people. In lower light settings, the P Smart still does a decent job, but using the LED flash really helps to brighten everything up. The front-facing 8 megapixel camera takes some nice selfies too. Photos are bright and they've got good dynamic range. The camera app boots up fast, that's thanks to Android 8 and Huawei's own EMUI 8.0 software. And once you're in, there's loads of photo options to choose from. From Pro Photo mode, where you can adjust things like the ISO and white balance, to HDR, long exposure for light painting, panoramas and time-lapse shots. As for video, both front and rear cameras shoot 1080p at 30 FPS. There's no 4K option or, as I say, any OIS, so video can be a little shaky if you're moving around quite fast, but overall quality is solid. So I've been testing the P Smart in a variety of different conditions, and it's great to see a camera of this quality has been made available in a phone in this price range, with impressive front and rear cameras, and also really useful tools like the wide aperture and portrait modes, which really makes the P Smart's camera stand out among the competition. So that's just a quick test of the new Huawei P Smart. It's out now, and I've put a link in the description below if you want to find out more. Click that like and subscribe button if you want to see more camera tests, and let me know what you make of the P Smart in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chat.